trip of many firsts. I'm very excited about this trip. I'm starting the trip as per usual, dead tired. Had to drive up 10 hours between yesterday and this morning to put a takeout point, and then another 2 hours of shuttle up the river. We are in northern Quebec, Saguenay area, and for the first time ever, I'm taking my brand new Canyon Esquife canoe out for the girls' very first river trip with whitewater along the way. I'm very excited to initiate them to that. And it is, for me, both the kids, our very first canoe trip in the Boreal forest. About 5 seconds in of getting to the put-in, Rosie managed to cut her foot on a rock. Out of all the things you can have in your first aid kit, Leuco tape, which is super sticky, comes in super handy. And when you want to make a band-aid with it, you take a little piece of it, you fold it on itself so it doesn't stick to the wound, and then you can use this, and honestly it'll last all day even in the water. It's amazing for blisters, wounds, way better than regular band-aids actually. What's the technique? How you feeling?
I'm feeling nice, guys. You're not doing it.
We're just coming up to our campsite for the day. I'm doing this today in the name of production value.
Shoot the drone.
Never will I ever buy this sleeping pad again. In 2020, I bought not one, not two, not three, but 4 Thermarest Neo Air series sleeping pad, and I made 4 mistakes. See, these sleeping pads are pretty amazing. They keep you warm, they're super lightweight, they're actually quite comfortable, but there's one thing that not everybody talks enough about, is that this is a 20-inch pad, and this here is the wide version 25-inch pad. Just look at the difference at how much larger the 25-inch pad is. And let me tell you, if you are, lost my hat. If you are an adult, even though you might be a small adult, please do yourself a favor. Buy yourself the 25-inch pad. The 20-inch pad is so narrow. Your hands fall off of it all the time. You roll off of the pad. You gotta sleep like on your back without moving, tucked into your sleeping bag. The 25-inch pad is a game changer. Trust me.
How much of it did you eat? Like the last bite? Rosie, May farts never stop being funny. No bugs. When your mom and I realized that we left the... Get me some because you were
What the heck is that?
Alfredo sauce, baby.
It's really good though.
And creamy.
If we're putting in, how are we going to eat this?
There's lots of ash and stuff on the bottom of your pan. Like, grab the burnt ones and.
You're dying.
Wow. No going fishing. Ow.
Felt really cool.
Don't look into the camera. Why?
All right. Water.
Hey guys, today I'm trying to fish. Yeah, okay, let's see if I do it. What are those feet? I got a fish. I think I did, because this is hard. Okay. Swimming. Fishy. Hold on. Phew. Okay, I might have gotten a rock because this isn't stopping, is it? I guess I had caught something. But
Okay, give it to me. I'll figure it out. Here.
I'm so trying to pull it.
It's okay. It's in a rock. That's why.
Boys, look at the master.
The master, huh? Oh, snap his rod.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we
Snap
go.
him one, snap him one. Snap. I got him.
Oh, you!
I got him.
Oh!
I got him.
Jesse, leave it. What's up, buddy?
I got him.
Let's go!
Spray it up. No, just spray it out. No, not into the water. Bring it this way.
Bring it here. Bring it here.
Woo!
Hey, do we have dinner? You have a little bit of dinner?
That's a good size.
Yeah.
Good, sir. Yeah, man.
Are you for real?
Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Oh, that's a good. Okay, wait. Wait, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Just keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Fish dinner, baby. Woo! She's in.
Woo!
Look at this beauty. Right from. Come here, buddy. Let's go.
I'm still trying to catch some fish, but my line is.
Let's go. Bring it to the camp. Let's go. Fish dinner.
That was huge.
I just saw it.
fish fry, baby. Woo! Tons of bones. We need to perfect our fillet skills. This is very good. Another 22-kilometer day today on the river, and we saw some of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen actually on the river. The cliff sides were insane. Wonderful waterfall. It was absolutely breathtaking. And I caught my biggest pike ever, monster pike for me. And unfortunately, the footage of that didn't work out. We did have an amazing fish dinner. How did you like the fish?
Bad.
It's hard to get the Y bones out of the pike, and it's a bit of a turnoff when you bite into the bones, eh?
I don't even like fish.
We've got another amazing day ahead of us tomorrow. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to check out the next episode. Peace.